I'm Sandy Cavaleras, and I'm the founder of excelwithmonarch.com. Over the last 9 years, I've used Monarch for capturing and managing data for such business topics as accounts receivable, accounts payable, general ledger, project financial management, sales analysis, and even reviewing staff labor hours, and more than that too. But because of the current economy, today I'm going to focus on one particular task for you: cash receipts. Cash is king, after all, right? So your customers have been given their widgets or supplied with your services, and now, until you get paid, you're essentially providing financing for their operations. I'm just guessing here, but it's likely that you could use the cash that you've earned to run your own operations. Otherwise, you'd be out looking for help financing your operation, maybe from these fine folks. But in anything but the smallest company, it'll probably take more than one person to get this job done. So let's look at how Monarch can help with this important task. First, let's look at the final document that our Monarch work will create. This document helps everyone in the organization monitor their cash collections during the period against what their collection targets are. Notice that each worksheet has its own structure geared for a specific audience. In this example, we have managers who are responsible for their own departments, business lines, regions, and districts. The file contains worksheets with plain data tables, tables which employ Excel's outline feature, as well as pivot table. All of these features are created during Monarch's export functions. In this particular model, we've customized one of Monarch's built-in functions to be able to determine automatically how many working days there are in each fiscal period. We can tell Monarch about the structure of our fiscal periods in the time intervals option in Monarch. This model also uses a number of Monarch's calculated fields in order that we can determine a prorated collection target amount based upon how far we are into the current fiscal period. This model features a summary which employs a key field set to display values across the summary as column headings. Here, another model employs multiple external lookups to connect related data sets in the calculated field to determine invoice amounts after exchange rates have been applied. Each of the models in this system have been made into Monarch projects so that we can easily automate the exporting process later. Here we see that the first defined project export will automatically create a pivot table in the distribution Excel file. The second defined project export simply exports a name summary defined in the model to a new worksheet in the Excel file, overwriting the worksheet if it already exists in the file. Now we can tie all of our data sources, models, and projects together into one simple to build batch file. I've accelerated the video a little just to show the entire batch process in the timeline for this video. But normally the process still only takes just a few minutes, and it's much easier than performing all of the steps manually. This all demonstrates what can happen when you stop working for your data and make your data work for you in Excel with Monarch.